Parrots Landing and Wild Bills, we offer vehicles to go, out in the dunes. Jeep Wranglers, we've had them since we started. It's very user-friendly as far as going off-roading. We offer the Polaris Razor 1000, and then we also have the Yamaha Kodiak 450s, that's the quad for one person. We're the largest sand dunes east of the Mississippi. We've been doing this for 18 years. Travis Parrot had been coming out here since he was a kid. He wanted people to be able to come up here and to enjoy the dunes as he did. Safety is our first concern, and not everybody knows how to go off-roading, especially in the sand. With that hour of being, with a tour guide, you're getting a lot of knowledge about how to drive out there safely. You reach the top of the hill and you basically see the dunes, you're gonna say, where did all this come from? It's exhilarating, it's breathtaking. Lake Michigan in the background, it's beautiful.
Flip for who drives first. Call it in the air.
Tails.
It's heads. I drive first. I cheated.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the rain, down in the dirt.